filming today is because tomorrow it's going to be like 80 degrees, and we all know that carrots do not germinate past like 60 degrees. Now, we've already dug up 2 ditches, you can see here, and as you can see, it's probably not even a half an inch down.
No, it's maybe 1/8 of an inch.
Yeah, it's probably about 1/8 of an inch down. It's not very much, guys. You don't want to bury your carrot seeds. So I'm going to go ahead and get these planted for you and show you how I do that. What I'm going to do, and what I've learned from the past, is I'm going to plant these in this ditch here, but I'm not going to sprinkle a ton on. What I'm going to do is just do little spots, and it's really hard when you have this small of a seed. Look how little that is. So what I'm going to do is just do little spots. That way when the carrot grows, they're not growing on top of each other. That's the problem I have. And then they're just, what happens then when you get a ton of them together, they end up getting real small because they don't have the space to grow because you planted too many seeds on top of each other.
What I did was I put these little plant markers on the end of each row. You can see down there. That way we know where to look for germination for our carrots, and because I am going to put a cattle panel down the center here, so that way I know where to stay away from all that. I did it on both sides here, marked my little trenches. Alright.
What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to lightly cover them. Pat them in a little bit, but lightly cover them. Now, I've tried different methods in the past. I think one of them was the wood method. So when you water them, the seeds don't go everywhere. This time I'm not doing that.
Yeah, we're supposed to have rain for, after tomorrow, it's supposed to rain for like 3 or 4 days. So, and it rained really good before this, so we don't really need to water right now.
So I'm just going to cover up the trenches, pat it down a little bit. And this should be enough. And that is how you plant carrots. Now, over the next week or so, I'm going to come out here, keep taking a look, making sure they come up.
It might take longer than that.
It might take a little bit longer, but yeah.